How to add subdomain in Wix. So in order to add a subdomain on Wix, you can first head over right here to your actual settings. Click onto the settings option right there. And then from in there, it should be able to load right here. So make sure to search in here for domain. And under that, you can see the site address or URL. Just click on this. And then from in there, it should be able to show you this. So here is our domain. So this is the domain, which is wixstudio.com. And if you want to add a site domain, just input right here this. So you can rename it according to your liking. So for example, let's put in here Tiara Events. And then from in there, just click on save option in order to save this thing that you have added. Now, if you already have your own custom domain, you can head over and then add a new subdomain based to your liking right there. So let's head back. And then from in there, you can add a domain or subdomain in the matter of sense if you actually own the domain that you have. So under this domain, make sure to purchase a domain first before you add a subdomain option from there. So that's how you add subdomain in Wix. Hope we helped.